drive back to Calgary from the West Coast. Renee and I have traveled a little over 6,000 kilometers all the way across Canada. And along the way, we intentionally met some strangers to see what's important to Canadians today. And just a couple of themes I want to touch on briefly while I'm driving here that kept on coming up. One is that Canada's a very safe country. We're really lucky to live in a country that's not at war. People expressed concerns and passions about the environment and about family and about having the freedom to be able to travel freely within this country, among a number of other things, important issues and concerns. What I want to mention is that I hope that my documenting on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube these conversations that I've had with complete strangers has inspired you to get outside your comfort zone and to maybe engage in a few more conversations with strangers yourself to see what opportunities you can bring into your life. It's clearly been the case for me that great things can happen when you do so, and the whole point of this Talk to More People Canadian Tour is to encourage other people like you to get out there and do a little bit of this yourself. So this concludes the Canadian East to West Talk to More People tour, but of course keep in mind we've got a lot of north in Canada as well, and then of course there's a lot of other countries in the world where random chance conversations keep your hands on the wheel. Random chance conversations might happen. So thanks so much for following along as much as you might have, and keep on connecting. Tony Esteves. Cheers.